I know. It's been a while. It's probably going to be the second video out, or whatever. We're right now on the set of Season 2, Episode 1. And we have, like, big plans. We're in this whole new place for Season 2. There will be a bunch of stuff explained throughout the series. Maybe if we do continue this throughout the months, we'll probably complete this project by June. I'm thinking 10 episodes, maybe 8, or pull a season 1 and we only get to 6. But right now we're in the hole of or dig site area. Well, right now we're in the path of it, as our camera guy shows us where we're digging. It's just going to be a huge line that way, maybe a few divots in for camera shots. Got a tunnel right here that we're going to use. We got this area so we can get in and out. Nothing too big, just a lot of film, a lot of progress, and heck, we'll probably have a snowball fight. If it happens, of course, but this is behind the scenes, scene 1, part 1, whatever. I'll see you guys later when probably this is done, or the next day, or maybe you'll see Gavin next, alright? See you later, bye. David. Okay. What are we on right now? What set are we on?
We're on our newest episode, The Trenches!
Wasn't Mia Khalifa here before?
Don't mind him, he's a bit...
She was raving through dudes like
Good use for a snowball. Anyways, tell us what this set is about.
Okay, so this is where me, David, follows it through, like, multiple dimensions from the water world. Don't mind him, we're just gonna edit him out. But I have fallen through water dimension, a hell dimension, which isn't in the set yet.
Very lovely.
And,
as you can tell, where are we?
right now, we're in the snowy trenches where we meet Special Steve Gavin and Cameron the miner.
I'm mine for coal because I'm a miner.
he's for the mines.
I yearned for the mines ever since I was a child. Because that Gavin isn't our Gavin. This is our David. Blah 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 blah. This is behind the scenes. Anyways, what?
But after we're done here, whenever we get the chance, we'll get the episode I'm talking about where I go to hell.
Where we go to the beach.
So yeah, this series is probably gonna last maybe 4 months, depending on how everything goes. Gavin just ran into me because he's
I'm ramming. I earned for the miles.
Anyways, we'll see you there. This is gonna be the second video on the channel. Hope you enjoy.